Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter number 6 Sets Exercise 6C Question 5. List the elements of A intersection B. Okay, so we have to list the elements of A intersection B. What does that mean? Okay, you might see we have done previously this symbol, right? It's like a U. It indicates what? The union of two sets. Now it has been reversed, okay, like this. So when this thing you will see, it is called an intersection, right? Intersection of the two sets. What does this mean? Okay, this we already know, right? We have done it, right? Union means when we combine the elements of two sets, okay, or two or more sets. So this is already known to us, right? We did previously questions regarding this, but what is the new thing here? This intersection of two sets, right? So in union, what we used to do was we combined all the elements. We did not check if the element was common in both the sets, right? It was present in both the sets, but we just combined it, okay? And what does the definition say? That it should be an element of either set, right? It can be of A, it can be of B also. But for intersection, again you have to combine only, but the thing is you have to combine, or you can say add, the common elements only, okay? So if A intersection B I am saying here, so I have to add the elements which are common in set A also and set B, okay? The elements which are present in both the sets, okay? That is what I have to put in the intersection of the two sets, right? Okay, let's look here, okay? See here. So first of all, first part, what have we got? A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, right? Value of all the elements is given, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, okay? We have to select only the elements common, the elements present in both the sets A and B, and that will go in the intersection, right? So value of A intersection B will become what? Let's see what is common. 2 is not common, you can see 3 is common, right? 5 is common, 7 is common and 11 is common. 3, 5, 7, 11. So the values of the elements here will become 3, 5, 7, 11. That's it. Okay, this is what intersection really means, right? Now see the second part. What have we got? Birds, okay? Second part talks about the birds, and part B talks about flightless birds. That means the birds that cannot fly, right? So what will be the common thing here? You can write down the common aspects of both of them will be flightless birds, right? Why am I saying flightless birds? Look here, see, when we talk about birds, we generally talk about the birds that fly, but also there are some flightless birds. They are also under the category of birds only because they have wings, right? Like ostrich, if we see as an example, right? Emu is also one of the examples. All of these are flightless birds. They cannot fly, but they are birds, yes or no? Okay, even though they cannot fly, they still are under the category of birds. And here also in the first set we are talking about birds. What is common? Birds and birds. Don't see this flightless thing, okay? Just the common aspect of it. Bird is common, but you should see that if I write down only birds, then flightless birds will not be included. And if I write down flightless birds, then birds will also be included and flightless birds will also be included. So it is common in both the sets. Now look here, the third part, what does it say? We have got A equals to letters of Chennai, right? And B equals to letters of chain, okay? We can write down the values of A. First of all, C, H, E, N, A and I. This is in A, okay? And B will be what? B already you have got with you what? C, H, A, I and N chain. Okay, what is common? See, C is common, H is common, A is common, I is also common and N is common. Only and only E is not common in both the words. So write that down. Okay, you have C common, H is also common, E is not common, N is common, A is common, and I is common. Only the common elements will come under the intersection. So C, H, N, A, I. Okay, then see, fourth part, what does this say? Colors of rainbow. Okay, we should know there are Vibgyor, right? There are 7 colors in the rainbow, right? We all know that. And then B refers to black, purple, violet, and green. Okay, see here, the colors of rainbow, they go in this way, Vibgyor, right? Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so this is what you have. Now look, violet is common, V is common, G, green is common. Okay, purple is not common, and B, but here this B stands for blue. Okay, and here it is black, so it is not common. Okay, only elements which are common, I'll write it down: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now see, violet is common in both the sets, right? Let's keep on writing it down also, so that it's very easy. What we will have here, first we will have violet. Okay, V, violet. Then you will have what is common. Indigo, is it coming? No. Blue? No. Green? Yes. So you will write down green in the intersection set. Yes. And then yellow? No. Orange? No. Red? No. So only 2 sets are common, violet and green. You must know the colors of the rainbow for this question, right? Otherwise it's not possible to solve it. Now let us move on to the next part. Now see the next one. Okay, you have in the 5th part, A equals to odd numbers, B equals to even numbers. So I'm pretty sure you might know what is odd, it is not even. What is even, it is not odd. That means any even number cannot be taken as an odd number, and any odd number cannot be taken as an even number. This is very common, right? It's general logic. So that means no elements will be common in these 2 sets, yes or no? See here, A will be equal to 1. What is this? Odd. So 1. Okay, then 3, then 5, 7, so on, so on. B will be equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, so on. Nothing will be common in these 2 sets, right? You can go as far as you want, but nothing will be common, right? Okay, so that means what? That means the value of A intersection B. Okay, no elements will be there. When I say no elements, it means what? It means an empty set, or you can say it like this also, the symbol of it. Okay, both of them are same thing. Means that no element is common, that's why it is an empty set. Now option, the 6th part, right? This says A equals to even numbers. Okay, and B equals to even prime numbers. Now here you should know it's a fact, right? Only 2. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers which we have, they are odd. Okay, and 2 is the only even prime number. It's different from the others, right? So that means what common thing will be there? It will be 2. I'll show you also if A equals to even numbers. So you will write down again the same set, 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, 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 right? But we talk about B. B will be even prime numbers. So only even prime number is 2. Other than this, if you have any prime number, you can tell me 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, okay, 17, 12, all of these, they are what? Prime numbers, but the condition is they are odd. So they cannot be taken in the second set. What is common? 2 is common very clearly. So A intersection B will have what value? 2. Fine. Now you see next one. A equals to x such that x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve again another equation, right? Let's write down the values of A. See, x is such that x plus 3 equals to 0 and x belongs to natural numbers. What does it mean? X plus 3 is equal to 0 and x belongs to natural numbers. So let us solve this. x will be equal to minus 3. Yes or no? But is minus 3 a natural number? No. Natural numbers begin from 1, 2, 3 and so on so on. Negative numbers are not a part of the set of natural numbers. What does it mean? It means that this set will be empty set. Okay. So A is an empty set, yes, because again x is such that x is natural number and x plus 3 equals to 0, so x will be equal to minus 3, but minus 3 is not a natural number, that's why we will have an empty set, right? No other value can be taken for x here. Now set B is x is such that x is less than equal to 3 and x belongs to whole numbers. Okay, this will have values. Look what can come here. See, x is such that x is less than equal to 3, so x belongs to whole numbers. We can have 0, we can have 1, we can have 2, we can have 3. That is it, but we can't go beyond this, right? And since x belongs to whole numbers, we can't go before 0 also. So this is the value of set B. Now see what is common. Is there anything common? Nothing is common, right? So the value of A intersection B will become what? Empty set. Fine. Nothing is common in both the sets. Fine. Now see here, eighth part. What does the eighth part say? A equals to factors of 24, right? Let's write down what all are the factors of 24. What all factors do we know? Let's write them down. A will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. All these are the factors of 24. Okay, no other factors are there, right? And B equals to what? See here, B equals to factors of 36, right? The some other thing is also written here. We will see that later on. Okay, we'll come to that part later. But see here, first of all, B equals to factors of 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will have 6, right? Anything else? Yes, you will have 9 here. Yes, and you will have 12 here. Okay. After 12 also, is there anything else? Yes, we will have 18 here. Fine. And then finally you will have 36. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are factors of what? 36. And A intersection B will be equal to the common elements. Let's see. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common, 8 is not common, 12 is common, yes, and that is it. No other element is common. Let's write down 1. You can see whatever I've underlined, they are common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, these are the elements that are common and they will form the intersection. Now it says verify that A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Very simple. You just have to verify this, right? There's nothing so new. A intersection B value you already have. Now I'll write down the value of B intersection A. Okay, that means we'll begin with the common sets here. We will have 1, we will have 2, we will have 3, we will have 4, we will have 6, we will have 12, right? So do you see, is the value same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. It is same. Therefore, they are equal to each other. Hence, we have verified that also. Fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye-bye.